Kids.
Hello, kids! Today, we are going to learn the phonics sounds of the alphabet. Let's start from A and go all the way to Z. Say the sounds with me. This is the letter A. A makes the sound E, like apple. This is the letter B. B makes the sound B, like ball. This is the letter C. C makes the sound K, like cat. This is the letter D. D makes the sound D, like dog. This is the letter E. E makes the sound I, like elephant. This is the letter F. F makes the sound F, like fish. This is the letter G. G makes the sound G, like grapes. This is the letter H. H makes the sound H, like hat. This is the letter I. I makes the sound I, like ice cream. This is the letter J. J makes the sound J, like jug. This is the letter K. K makes the sound K, like kite. This is the letter L. L makes the sound L, like lion. This is the letter M. M makes the sound like mango. This is the letter N. N makes the sound N, like nest. This is the letter O. O makes the sound O, like orange. This is the letter P. P makes the sound P, like parrot. This is the letter Q. Q makes the sound Qu, like queen. This is the letter R. R makes the sound R, like rabbit. This is the letter S. S makes the sound S, like sun. This is the letter T. T makes the sound T, like tree. This is the letter U. U makes the sound like umbrella. This is the letter V. V makes the sound V, like van. This is the letter W. W makes the sound W, like watch. This is the letter X. X makes the sound X, like xylophone. This is the letter Y. Y makes the sound Y, like yak. This is the letter Z. Z makes the sound Z, like zebra. Wonderful! You've learned all of the phonics sounds from A to Z. Keep practicing every day and soon you'll be reading like a superstar.
Thank you, kids, for learning with me. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.